I'm doing egg fried rice for the first time, and I never thought that I would be presenting a wok. Isn't it beautiful? Look how beautiful this thing is. And this is avocado.
Actual name is Henry. I like avocado better.
Okay,
See?
my love.
See?
Can we get to the video? Yes, they see. All right, so
No.
we're going to whisk our 3 eggs.
And say it in Spanish too if Spanish people are hearing this.
Vamos a darle vuelta a los 3 huevos. Le vamos a poner salita.
Can I say it in English?
We're going to put some salt. See, you're making me mess up. Now I'm speaking in Spanish.
Spanish. First the English and then Spanish.
Okay, but my brain wasn't thinking straight. This thing looks hot enough. We're going to put the... Ah! And now some huevos.
Spanish now?
Ahora huevos. Look at this beautiful wok. It doesn't stick. Ah, my dream.
Spanish?
Mira cómo este huevo no se pega. Esto es mi sueño. Happy? I put in the frozen veggies.
Let's say it in Spanish.
Ya puse los vegetales frisados. Ok, ya le puse el arroz de un día. Lo hice ayer. I put the rice in, right? Okay. I was asking for soy sauce, so here we go. So they say to put it on the sides.
Let's tell it.
Ahora quiere que le ponga salsa soya, entonces le estoy poniendo los alrededores. I put a little bit of garlic here also towards the end.
Garlic?
Baby, I'll tell you. Why don't you ask Alexa? How about that?
Alexa.
I also put some oyster sauce. There it is. I hope I didn't put too much. So here is the finished product, and we're gonna try it out.
I forgot the fork.
Okay. Okay, so here's our finished product. We put some avocado in it. That's not very Asian, but my son loves avocados. All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, they can't see you. What do you think? I like.
Give me some more.
Now I can make egg fried rice. I guess his silence says it all. You should try it. And the avocado comes in nice.
Told.
That was his idea. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.